day and welcome to Press Play English. Today we're going to look at present simple versus present continuous. Okay, part one. What is present simple? So the structure is subject plus base verb plus S or ES for he, she, it. Example, I eat chocolate. She eats chocolate. So when do we use present simple? It is used for things that are always true, habits, routines, or facts. Example, I drink coffee every morning. He exercises daily. The sun rises in the east, and lions eat meat. We can also use present simple for things which are permanent. For example, Mary lives in Paris. We can also use it when talking about the future with a timetable. For example, the movie starts at 8 p.m. tonight, or work begins at 7 a.m. on Monday. Part 2. What is the present continuous? So the structure is subject plus am, is, or are plus verb and ing. We use this tense for actions happening right now or temporary actions. Examples, I am studying English now. He is playing soccer, or they are watching TV right now. So the tip is look for words like now, right now, or at the moment. We can also use present continuous to talk about future arrangements. For example, I am meeting my brother later. We are playing golf on Saturday. Or we are going on holiday in December. Okay, part 3, present simple versus present continuous. So what's the difference? So let's compare. First example, present simple, I read every night before bed. That's a habit. Present continuous, I am reading a great book now, which is happening right now. Example 2, present simple, she cleans the house on Sundays, which is a routine. Present continuous, she is cleaning the house right now, which is a current action. Present simple is regular, repeated, or permanent. Present continuous, happening now or temporary. Okay, so let's test your knowledge. Right, you can pause the video if you need to. So thank you very much. Hope you've learned something new today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Have a wonderful week.